some of the things that aren't like a best fit for Ceros. One is long, dense content that cannot be condensed or summarized. So what I mean by that is if somebody dumps a PDF in front of you that is very long, take a look at it and you say, my first thought would be, do we have any wiggle room to play with this? If the person requesting that, or your boss requesting that, or your CMO says, not really, it might not be a great fit for Ceros. But this one has an asterisk because there are formats for that kind of content that are very successful if you have that room to play along. An incomplete brief, content, or creative, again, from a marketing perspective, I don't think you need a full finished brief when you are just looking to plan, but you truly need an understanding of being able to understand what you need to provide in order to make it successful. So if you really don't have that kind of thought around the content and the creative, you are not going to be successful when you physically get into the implementation. And then the last one is no clear goals for the use case. The idea is muddy, the value is questionable. This one I think is really important. And I think it always is important to come back to what is the value? What are we looking to get out of it? If you can't answer that question, most likely in the format it's in today, that project is probably not the right fit for Ceros. Again, ever the optimist, there are always ways to, make content presentable or applicable for a project. But I think as it stands, if that's what's staring you in the face, unless you can give guidance to rein it in a little, you're most likely looking at not the best fit for a Ceros use case.